I'm pretty generous with my time. I shouldn't say that, but I am. If people call me and they have questions, I'm not going to mislead them or just give them a little bit of an answer and force them to come in and see me and try and push them into hiring me. I think it's important that attorneys are generous with their advice, at least to give people sort of take away a lot of the fear and a lot of the unknowns. And just make a clearer picture for them about what's likely to happen, what an attorney can or can't do for them, etc. But the thing that I've always done is I tell people the truth. People are calling you with a problem. They're scared. Okay, tell them the truth, and if you can help them, fine. But give them some insight. Try and explain, as you would a jury, why your client should not be found guilty. Explain it in ways that take enough time. Sometimes I'll spend an hour on the phone with people. Take enough time to make sure they really understand what's going on and they know what their choices are. Because making informed choices, being well advised, understanding what's going on, what to expect, is the first fundamental thing. An honest broker, someone who can really advise you and is really more interested in the goodwill that an attorney can provide, and if I can help and if I can do some work and change the outcome, I'll tell you what I think, and yes, I want to be paid for that. But that's the biggest difference, I think, about the way I approach it. I take it seriously, the ethical part of it. So what clients should do is contact as many attorneys as you want. When you feel a comfort level, then schedule a free consultation. Everyone gives free consultations in this particular area of law, and that's in your best interest. And when you if someone can explain to you, what would be in your best interest, and you agree with that, then retain that person. In the meantime, though, don't forget about the 10 days. That's the other problem, is people forget about contacting DMV safety. So if you're not ready to hire someone, I'll tell you exactly where to call, exactly what to say, and it will only take 10 minutes, and you call me back, and if anything goes wrong, call me and I'll help you. And that way you've scheduled your hearing, you've protected your license longer. They're going to send you the discovery, which you can then take to an attorney, and you usually will get it way before your court date. And then you can get some more information. If you're not sure whether you want to hire somebody, you can get that other information and make an informed decision later. So that's another thing I take seriously. Give the person, lay it out for them and let them know what's really going on. And if you can help them and you're going to go to court for them, like I said, in misdemeanors, you don't have to go to court unless you're going to testify or there's a motion or a hearing. To do this job right, to help people as best I can, and to charge reasonable fees. I don't see anything wrong with that, and that's the way I like to practice.